Hello everyone, welcome to Architecting AI Systems. Today I'm presenting the Enterprise Multi-Agent Compliance Intelligence System, a local-first AI solution for automated compliance and risk intelligence. This project demonstrates how multiple AI agents collaborate to automate regulatory analysis, risk scoring, and audit reporting, while keeping all enterprise data completely private and local. Why does this matter? Traditional compliance audits are slow, expensive, and heavily manual. Organizations must deal with complex regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX, often without real-time visibility into risks. This leads to delays, human errors, and high penalties for non-compliance. What enterprises need is an intelligent, automated, and continuous compliance system. Here's the solution: an AI-powered multi-agent compliance system. Instead of a single model, this architecture uses specialized agents that collaborate to perform specific tasks like classification, compliance validation, and risk scoring. The system is designed to be modular, explainable, and scalable, while following a local-first approach to ensure complete data privacy. Let's take a deeper look at the architecture. This is the core of the system. The workflow starts with a user query submitted through the interface. This query is first handled by the supervisor agent, which acts as the brain of the system. It understands the intent and classifies what type of compliance request it is. Next, the orchestrator dynamically routes the request to the appropriate agents. This is important because it enables intelligent decision-making and scalability instead of hard-coded flows. Then comes the compliance agent, which performs detailed analysis against regulatory frameworks like GDPR or HIPAA. It identifies gaps such as missing encryption, data residency violations, or access control issues. After that, the risk agent evaluates the severity of these gaps. It assigns a risk score based on impact, likelihood, and business context. All actions are captured by the audit logger, ensuring full traceability, which is critical for enterprise compliance and audits. Finally, the results are presented on the Streamlit UI, along with a full agent execution trace. This architecture is powerful because it separates responsibilities across agents, making the system modular, explainable, and extensible for future enhancements. Here's how the system works step by step. The user submits a query through the interface. The supervisor agent classifies the request. The orchestrator activates the relevant agents. The compliance agent detects regulatory gaps. The risk agent evaluates severity and business impact. Finally, results are generated with clear reasoning and recommendations. And every step is logged for complete audit traceability. Now let's see the system in action. Here I'm submitting a sample compliance scenario: EU customer data stored outside the EU without encryption. The system processes this through the supervisor and compliance agents. Within seconds, it identifies this as a high-risk issue, flags GDPR violations, and highlights missing controls like encryption and access restrictions. On the right, you can see the full agent trace showing how the decision was made. And everything is automatically logged for audit purposes. This demonstrates how multiple format. The system generates structured JSON responses that include risk level, reasoning, missing controls, and recommendations. It also provides a confidence score and timestamp. This makes the output transparent, explainable, and easy to integrate with enterprise systems like dashboards, ticketing tools, or audit platforms. One of the key strengths of this system is its capabilities. It supports multi-agent orchestration for complex workflows. It performs AI-driven gap detection across multiple regulations. It includes an intelligent risk scoring engine. And it provides explainable outputs with full audit traceability, all accessible through an interactive user interface. The solution is built using a clean local-first tech stack. We use Ollama with Phi3 for local AI inference. FastAPI powers the backend APIs. Streamlit provides the interactive user interface. And SQLite is used for audit logging and storage. This ensures complete data privacy with full control over infrastructure. The architecture is also designed to be cloud-ready. Each local component maps directly to Azure services. Ollama can be replaced with Azure OpenAI. SQLite can scale to Cosmos DB. FastAPI can be deployed on Azure App Service. And logs can be integrated with Azure Monitor. This allows seamless transition from local development to enterprise-scale deployment. That's the Enterprise Multi-Agent Compliance Intelligence System. If you're working on AI governance, compliance automation, or agent-based systems, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you like a deep dive coding walkthrough of this project? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.